Hello to all. Now we see a video topic for enhancement mode MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, E-MOSFET. There are two types of E-MOSFET. First is N-channel E-MOSFET, second is P-channel E-MOSFET. So now firstly we see the first N-channel E enhancement metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. As shown in slide, we see that the showing channel length L and channel width W. So how the channel length L is changed? There are three terminal basically MOSFET, drain, gate and source. Source is connected to the N plus N type material, then gate, and third is drain. In gate, metal gate, in drain the oxide, and at a gate terminal the width which is changes in E MOSFET. So the substrate or body which is in N type N or P type material. After that we see that a enhancement mode MOSFET construction which is as shown in above. The drain, gate and source which is on firstly we see drain and source which is our n-doped region. In n-doped region the SiO2 silicon oxide material which is used. No channel in p-type substrate SS metallic contacts, drain, n-doped regions. These n-doped regions are not connected via an N-channel without an external voltage. The gate connected to the p-doped substrate via a thin insulating layer of SiO2. The n-doped material lies on a p-doped substrate that may have an additional terminal connection called SS. After that we see the basic operation on enhancement MOSFET, E-MOSFET. The enhancement mode MOSFET only operates in an enhancement mode. This is the characteristics of ID, drain current ID versus VGS, gate to source voltage. How the VGS is varied, drain current is varied. And the VGS how changes, the drain current is also changes. If the voltage is at a constant level, the drain current ID is as shown in slide. This is the input characteristics of E-MOSFET. After that we see the output characteristics of E-MOSFET. In output characteristics of E-MOSFET we use output voltage VDS, that is drain to source voltage. We use the output current, that is ID, which is measured in milliampere, at the output voltage versus output current at a constant voltage VGS, that is plus 3 volt to plus 8 volt, 3 volt, 4 volt, which is in positive, and in VGS which is in negative. VGS is always a positive. IDSS is equal to 0 when VGS is less than VT. As VGS increases above VT, ID increases. If VGS is kept constant, VDS is increased. Then ID which is in saturation region. The saturation level VDSat is reached. This is the basic operation of enhancement metal field effect transistor. After that N-channel we see the P-channel MOSFET. In P-channel enhancement mode MOSFET we use the same ID and VGS current. If the only difference is that VGS which is in negative voltage, current which is in negative current. So if the VGS is changes, the ID drain current negative voltage which is increased in negatively. The P-channel enhancement mode MOSFET is similar to the N-channel except that the voltage polarities and current directions are reversed. In PNP material, drain, gate and source, where the gate terminal has a negative voltage, drain terminal has a positive voltage, and drain gate source terminal has a negative voltage. So the ID current which is changes in negatively. In output characteristics is ID versus VDS, drain to source voltage. ID is in drain current at a constant of voltage VGS. Same, VGS is also in negative direction. Figure shows the symbol of E MOSFET, enhancement metal oxide semiconductor, field effect transistor, the N channel, P channel. These are the symbols of MOSFET. The main topic in E MOSFET is the terminal polarity, drain, gate and source. This is the specification sheet on MOSFET. Okay, now the second type we discuss in next video lecture. Thank you.